Hi, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing Associates, coming back to you this week with another tip and trick. This week, I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about media buying. Now, we talk a lot about digital marketing, but did you also know that we also handle traditional media buying? You may be wondering, what's the difference between traditional and digital? Well, here it is. We are so inundated now digitally, we don't even realize it. Traditional media is when your typical broadcast and cable TV, your broadcast radio stations. Now, I'm not talking about your Spotify. I'm not talking about your XM radio. I'm talking about your broadcast news stations that we see promoting out at your local restaurant, your local bank, and those types of things. We have newspaper, we have print magazines, we have outdoor billboard display ads, all sorts of things. Now, there is a time and place for both of these mediums. So whether you're digital or traditional. So traditional, we don't talk much about, but we do handle it. So I want to tell you a little more about that. The biggest thing when you handle a traditional account, you really have to, again, know your audience and know who you're targeting. So let's say you want to put a billboard up and it's for a local restaurant. Well, that's great because everybody that drives underneath it is going to be a potential customer, right? And when you are talking about television, you really need to think about who you are trying to reach. If you are trying to reach a college student, maybe the 10 o'clock news isn't the place for you to be. Maybe it's going to be more on the cable news stations. Well, not even news, cable stations in itself. And really, I tell you to stick to digital. That's more of your Hulu, your Netflix, your streaming situations. So you want to know who you're trying to reach before you decide where you're going to spend your money. Now, once you've decided who you're trying to reach and where you're going to spend that money, make sure that you spend it wisely. So for instance, if you are trying to reach that conservative news station type of a client, then the news is exactly where you want to be. You can do the Good Morning Americas, but just know any of those primetime spots are going to be a little more expensive. If you want to just blast it to everyone, again, maybe it's that local restaurant that you're trying to get everyone to come out and check out, then you could do a broad rotator. So it's some things you want to take a look at are what time of day that your ad is going to be placed and who are you trying to reach? Now, do you want to reach someone in the middle of the night when they're probably sleeping? Chances are you don't. So make sure that whenever you are reaching out to the media vendors that you specify, I only want to run between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. if that's what you're looking for. Another thing that you want to make sure that you are checking out is how much you are paying for each one of these rates. Now, being an individual going to buy traditional media, you don't have a lot of buying power, chances are. You're not doing those $1 million spends. And with that, what works out better for the smaller client is if they come to a service like us where we can go in and combine our buying power of many different clients and get you those better rates. Now, this is a lot to go through. I know it's overwhelming. So if you need help, please call us. We are happy to walk you through. We are happy to handle those negotiations for you. We have over 25 years of media negotiation buying experience, and we want to use that for you because we want to make sure that if you are advertising your business, you get the best bang for your buck. Contact us at dana@kerigan.com or check out our website, keriganmarketing.com. Have a great day.